precious Spirit, I bow in my grief today. The death of my son that has troubled, awaken and save, I pray. Torrents of sin and of anguish sweep over my sinking soul, and I perish, dear Master. Oh, listen and take control. The winds and the waves shall obey thy will. Peace be still, peace be still. Whether the wrath of the storm, the sea, or demons, or men, or whatever it be, no waters can swallow the ship when lies the master of ocean and earth and skies. The oceans sweetly obey thy will. Peace be still, peace be still. The oceans sweetly obey thy will. Peace, peace be still. Master, the terror is over, the elements sweetly rest, and sounding the calm latest river, and heavens within my breast. Linger, O blessed Redeemer, leave me alone no more, and with joy I shall make the blessed harbor, and rest on the blissful shore. The winds and the waves shall obey thy will. Peace be still, peace be still. Whether the wrath of the storm to sea, or demons, or men, or whatever it be, no waters can swallow the ship when lies the master of ocean and earth and skies. The ocean sweetly obey thy will. Peace be still, peace be still. The ocean sweetly obey thy will. Peace, peace be still. Everyone needs compassion, a love that's never failing. Let mercy fall on me. Everyone needs forgiveness, the kindness of the Savior, the hope of nations. Savior.
This is Chariot TV.
Hello, good evening, and welcome to Love and Family Corner on Chariot TV. And then you bring and come or you begin come you be seeing ade na ye kwe na nim so ati ase na aha Chariot TV so de medical catch us and name man ye twa no yopo on say imu for yes na say on ye si na ye te ho ye te awade ho na ye te ye busua ho na ye te ye relationship ho na ye te ne ma nyina ho se be ya ani je be fie na asofo anya asumdie na asoroma so anya asumdie bibia TV akoso. That is Love and Family Corner on Chariot TV. Na Chariot TV so medical catch say wo anyone be brave and ye walk straight talk a basso every Saturday at 5 p.m. Ye called deep doctrinal lessons. And a boss uncommon. Na sisi topic that point so ye rapture ni says ne Amagidon ne Jesus be the 1,000 years and ne keka and Jesus second coming say the. That's what we are looking at now. About apologetical also so ye show ye bon komo any Thursdays at 6 to 7. Thursdays 6 to 7. And you will point out. Any Sundays 5 p.m. Now it's a point out, and so I shall say now they discuss or point out today how to understand the Old Testament from the New Testament. But about love and family corner, so there. Now say you no say you tell boss yakɔ adwuma ba yenye bibie de ne nyina betena ase na ya bon komo ahwɛ kwan ya befo so a ye de aware ne efie ne a relationship ahodo no nyina befa so na so Kristo ani na ye nso so ani gye aba efie eno ana ye behwehwɛ na nanwumre opanyin a ye ne no ebon komo da bia no last Saturday make bibia chom ora me ba opanyin mo akwa akwaba keke na me o say adwen e wo akwaba na chi na wo no
say ne o kan ansa na mo akwaba na o kra e no anti na behwe we
adintira
say minim ne awre
then of course Saturday no
me hwe akos minim ji waka
okay
minim ji waka
for Saturday mama Edin birthday Saturday mama dey open na onya say
62
wow na mama nya 62 I say that's a girl so that's a girl what I say na Saturday say my birthday minim niema ekoko so ni de ekoko so nyina na and then young call bebre because and they have a bonkomo afa managing dating courtship and engagement na sa ene me oba Ghana ha ntase no ya na ebibi nti ye be mo akire mu okay ye be mo akire mu if you're watching us and this is your first time I would just want to entreat you to just like our page, share the video on your wall, send it as a message to other friends, and then, allow others to also come and know what we are discussing, what we are doing. Now, almost ancient baby. Now, omawa de ya, you down for no being to you, I'm on so yana swim, so I say. And open yamaha. Now, me musa say, you can't date in a HSA.
Okay. I dating Brofokasa. And my name is Ebekane Tree, or paying a year Jekum, or Professor Jekum, University of Ghana. Yeah, also Brofoni, you are in Jatu. It is a way to me and Trasa and Kuchia. Yes, it is my engine to Musi. Yeah, you dating up. All right. Ever funny, say, so will be a share. Nemwashiem Nebeka says social for social purposes. Dictionary and homa a chere simfua asana a chere say generally no you can date in January will be a bit me and date you be a bit me and date you for a purpose. And he say o frame now so pay a bit me she ameno won comma date Inti ni general meaning no but nkoma a ye di anwumre yi de ye nyina ye nim ba bia yen adwene eda because o kan ene de mrant ne baba mo kan dating pe na o adwene ene se obi be ka se ko hyehye ho o asiesi o ho de ama aware inti ye ka dating na January ne se o ni obi hyehye na mwahia na mwedi nkomo bi sometimes it can even be business but we are not talking about business
we are talking about relationship
and that is dating for you say abrant bi ni ababa bi mo pese wo hie mu na wodi nkomo ehwe say that will betimi akra amana ya enti ni tie mu ya metimi aka eno no
Okay. Inti omo share mu omo di nkomo omo ehu omo hu ahwe say omo betimi aware a ene dating. Okay. Ena you can say courting no so chese.
Ofa dictionary na homa na ye kire chinsinfu ase na difference ni mbebere. Adekro na is ba ko adu level, second level, higher level. Yeah. Into ofa e be almost the same. Say say general na American general meaning no courting and as a courtship so e wo ni general meaning. I'm courting you to do something. You are courting me to do something, or so that we can do something together. Or but here can relationship, you know. They just say dating. You know, if it were to baby, exclusive, and I say commitment be abem. Emma say mutu anamona mutu akomani mu ewura aware ni mu ankasa. Oh, okay. Dating be a preliminaries or a shas no ahwe and so no difference kakra wo mu so ya dekro so difference kakra wo.
Oh, okay. Ene na mentia say because say there la ene na kinds be wo your different kinds of dating ana.
Yeah. Kinds a wo mu no your soul one and I say single dating and multiple dating.
Hey.
It is allowed.
Multiple
dating is allowed. And intina who can now could courtship the NFA commit what the commitment level. Never na say a one-on-one.
But dating a bit my single, a bit my multiple.
A bit my multiple. You can date multiple.
But a Drew courting there.
Courting and now caution no. A honor the is a fade. A busuanfo bemu ma list ni ye hye ma ye totonia ma my obi akura nim sa semesti or ware ne nche obeware hono level no yes but ebinim so betumi aka say dating na because who nyan ware ye no it could be dating or because whichever the two ni na no to me jai at any time police in chiro aban chiro court in chiro kabie ni
oh sure
yeah because it is only our repair na we jai trouble but dating courtship dey.
Oh, but say when you say dating ni bo so a kama be kebi dating ni bo so a enema kum
yes
investment akum
yes into rules won nhihye won rules won into na ubetimi aye multiple and single now
some multiple and single
okay me answer kwalapeka obeye wadwe so wo dating first of all the first rule is why do you want to date? So the dating must have a purpose. It must be purposeful. And then two, in ben in the rules ben and then three, are you ready to marry?
There should be a purpose.
A purpose, yeah.
The entire uko dating
dating.
That's a dating na purpose and say person me ware.
Ana sa na e wadwene better na ma funu na yehunu. Because obi timi ni obi until 2 years. Onya obia na ko bisa na ware pe na o ka se menya ware. So mu dating mu na ma then na mu hwehwe.
Mu na me ese busa o sa asem no say o hwe die be ntia.
Me bisa me to ama won a wonam na still a wo se menya ware.
Say o de to ho no na atwen no.
Ye high dine to ho. Say ye compare dine to say that me high dine. Na wakope yire ato say that me ware. What you say?
Oh, set it one is esiwa.
Yeah, esiwa is different. Sir, esiwa is different. Only bibia koto ase. Only bibia koto ase. Say na e ka engagement, use engagement to aso baby. Inti dating, you know, it must be done with a purpose. And answer number called dating, you know. So we say rules ben, we share ben and down. And then answer number call so so be say My ready say me warrior na. Am I ready to marry? If you are not ready, you don't need to date. You don't need to date. There's no need. Because there are other things about your life. You need to concentrate, focus, and use all your energies towards Sanema. And dating, demanding. So demanding, say, we are watching, say, Obey biara kekedia. Eno na we say if dating be one be obi hu akom anasa akwa achire. Now, into obiara why na just obey dating. The first thing is, why am I dating? If it is not about marriage, and if the necessary arrangements, and you're ready to be warrior, I will advise you tonight. Don't go near it. Don't go near it. But if you are ready to marry, then you can go in for dating. Now, when you are ready, but you are distant dating or observing from afar. Why you say in 5 years' time, worry.
Yeah.
Inti ototone ebi a oko school efi na opɛ adwuma wo yɛ ɔbarima wa akra ni dan emia de dan na nhyɛ dan yɛ wɔn asɛde ɔbarima no de wo nhyɛ dan ni dan a you can observe from afar unwurem
Observe nkyirikyirimu yi nya say observe from afar no say can ye
okay
me ni engage ade no. And I'm saying, me many shana mention say that she be a quam, but that one mefa.
Yeah. And observing from afar, no,
there's a
unkum, we find it down for. Is it voluntary? I mean, we kind of platonic.
Adam for she
said no commitment, don't can't she oh, sister, good morning, good afternoon, bride saying, say, oh. Yenta me bi ene no musai kotana na abonko na adwuma be na aye na okofi obi akofie aware sem bia ni ho anko bia ni ba bia inte no obetimi aye 1 2 3
1 2 3
oh yes eno na fe de obetimi a date multiple
eno no na say wadamfo ni wadamfo ba ni wadamfo ba ni wadamfo ba ni
wadamfo very many
we sure say
bia kan aware
enko for problem ma
then problem na de be ba my mentor near the problem never. One we were dating and saying 1 year ready so be worry. In 1 year so be worry 1 year ready no we were ma wakokoda in that bebe
as in sex
yeah premarital sex. And you see multiple dating premarital sex na 1 year into in a creative problem multiple dating
because only we are
exactly
in the other chain I want to make us say we ho akofa we
exactly in the problem no one like creativity I want to mean multiple dating now question let's say yeah we here yeah jumedi ye Christosum ekwan so asembisa ne say one kra na on da right na
there we right
exactly exactly. It is a ocean one. Next, ubetimi a multiple dating. Christo some coins no. Ubetimi a multiple dating because uno be a nine, uno be a some koda. Na se me no na dia. Ada na mean to me. And nanto. Na ndi nkomo ye nhwa asetena mu nsem embo ye nkomo. What I say? Enti ne creative problem no. Into multiple dating. Because we dating and purpose no in share in yaware, but we perceive what that. And a biom, what they no we and so if you also walk down, what do who too much? What do who too much into who could demand a time, sika, some, any near maybe our best change. Enontino and also am I a problem because who what the Jew time I'm talking about time here.
Yeah,
you know usikasem ebekum and who so deep when you're ready so be warrior ejiwo energy, intellectual energies in a fafa. For instance, we are a student who go school. Now you're ready to obey worry. Now you'll be a show a was our kindness. Why didn't no fa echo or biana no very manos? I didn't anchor. We hear when you need the full complement of your mind to focus on your studies. Nefi fa echo biana no very manos. Exactly. Now tell ye. Now suspicions be if you see them so suspect so will be full number. And now this one I beg you 70%, 100% crowd so. And nunti in na oko date here so bisa who say so my ready. Say me ko ware ana. Now a gentleman came to me last Thursday and I me penedem or a medical doctor. Where we in housemanship if you when you're dying. Into all by no, who say osusu say the oppressor or why. Na business in the when you be na also on sheda and you be kind but there was this lady or if you blow your na adwene say oppressor ware onim dada but no ho adwene if you say ebani musa abani timusa na me say okay and go ahead and propose kona boka kire na also Debbie nienti ameba na se me pesa o kire me say dating men then na me say unim no how many years also unim be 3 or more years unim ni fi o se ni fi di onkoye but ewura na unim ni fi unim adwuma oye unim ni family unim bia and I'm say okay so what do you want o se me pesa o kire me how to date na me say what do you want me to teach then na me nkire
say ntina na e do obey
yes let me say you've observed her from afar. So go ahead and propose. Also, I'm Susan Semin Nanto Nam Kakram say, gentlemen, you know what? If you want to know a person wholly, fully, as an hour, it will never happen.
Oh, sir.
It will. Now, one person out on Unimu, maybe son, one person out as an individual. Because sometimes to me baby I'll be say into me and me way
because per definition of dating no o person who ni pani o person who ni maybe fan ho into any ade
your basics
into basic things
now but say me na nante one me huni it won't happen I don't know be no bit me nante 8 years no one worry not 2 months na worry na
into me put say na one more warrior, they feel disappointed in quotes.
Say one
say as a who ni pami
one basics. Basics na sanka ye de ne fam no one hwe.
Say bia we basics but it drew if principles and as advance one bo say basics no one share ni advance no more do change basics
one what can sana one can ya wasua. Oka nanto na nanto. This gentleman came because of directions of panchre or person oti adenase and it is good for every individual to do that. As a crowd always settle on a woman or a man, it's better you talk to a professional counselor. Now what me guide wama wa kire wo niese wo hwe onu ankasa no ebe boa o ejina wo niema wo peso wankasa se na o si hwe wa de ehu ade eno na counselor no be jina so no dey to for say na hwe no aboa but ne awo kan se manhu ni yiye no eya ne obi a osu se mene na nanto ina ma ware no within 1 year nti ya nanto wanche and then different from you learning the basics of the things you should look at in a man or in a woman and the counselor can help you do that to look out for certain things. Na mpempi ni yewuramu a ye de anisu na yewuramu wa baba no ho ye fe krache no mehu o 6 pack enye me ya odi bi
we na 6 no we wa then we go for mo mu ni mutira we me chechiro mu de ntia we 6 no
o close se bi bisao meka emia no ba me ho na wo kan nsem ni bia o besro obi se boy bia be se ne pe so be ware no but na nim di boy no de ntia ne sen ba kun ade tuntum bi ewo obi su ba ya obere ma na etieti adodo nam so titi ase wo ware chen o so me ware chen denti na pa bere ma o ware o se ne be adachi me ne wo ha metimi de meti ato me kokum and look at this
say na ko never otitu o
edono sa adwene de wo timu a na di wura ware no within 1 month 1 year na eno na chi no be no hu because ba ofo bere ma o ware so so open all the time bia de o di uti beto no kokum efere wa ware no ware but on tra ho kwa na o di uti after kokum and then you feel this
into office sa niam na e bia ye hwe before we date na unnecessary
mentally nka say unnecessary but the essentials the important things we hear no we hear but of course say we shi obia na very man now attracted anyway
as attraction in new don't go for it
no anywhere how
now better we say we are attracted
but say nipa yen we are not just physical beings, we are also emotional beings. So, adwene no ebeka na koma no so aka kiro.
O kan say me pese o say your microphone no more still. Well, the microphone minimum. Yeah. So with the pese
minimum. What
with the pese actually. O ya che say still o muntu bi hu bi. Enti den na me ya anade na me hu a metimaka say ade we dey mediate a because from my understanding of what you have said, no, it just said semi could date here. Say first of all, purposeful.
Yeah.
Just say I didn't make no interest. If I don't have any interest in it, say me sao be ya me peno say a here, then I shouldn't go in at all.
Not at all.
Good. Ain't it? I did be me say I did we manage ho a purposeful money.
You see, when you're ready, now what's our problem? But when you're ready, na a fade, we share or be on very man propose. It's as why you're ready, didn't now be when you'll be a bow now, unimnia or shadow. Well, up very much tinting. But one my home option said, so near tinting, no a hot hole. Now, submine we. Any idea way, anyway. Member bosso. The interment bosso, the person of bosso, and we ever because now check it, Nina, nephew, one I send an attraction. Oh, well, because my need we are ready or buy also very man, Nissim I to me. Now, it's okay. Now, share apart from a son, also one car. Neni ejunam se na sense ni itimi ye itimi sisi o de condensed eni na one na di nkomo o se de bi na se one ni di nkomo hwe na one ni di nkomo so obehu adwene a eda oberema ni o ko wara oberema na adwe papa bi anda ne tima obebre o de make na se nti one ni di nkomo and so make her say no she should get closer nti then she got closer and came back to me and said so now one get closer and who said the guy is up. Yes. In fact, one was exam wow. Yeah, that was about 2 or 3 years.
Of course, in the Senate.
I haven't asked. Okay. But you see, these are some of the things. And at a point in time, perhaps you will fear there's a second one. Or no, they know so very man and a short. But on your shot, then you know one when in June. Also, a good or a bon come kama. Just say Bibia Ubenya will show very man and so then why? Eventually, also I would too. I would too. And she is happy. Now send me who Facebook. And I'm saying, hey, if they feel we have me cry, and now. What you maybe or did the Yankopon efa nukunu so when you're very ma otimi ehwe no semi ope inti yaka dating na then na wo why ready wo be the rules no say na ehwo na say yehwe okay now maybe say ehwo say so Bible na nkasa kra no ewo dating.
Yeah, that's the next thing. I'm a say, you Christianity near dating now. It's saying, nkantanso bi ɛwɔ ɛso Bible no ne dating wɔ Bible mu.
Bible no ɛka nsɛm bebree ɛfa aware ho. But no kware mu. Bible no unya baby potting ɛkasa fa mate selection, how to select a mate. Unya.
Say ekwan obefa so obenya
oyere eni oyere unya enim. But Bible no kasa fa afa ɛfa aware ho. And then also there were examples. Ebinum aware wɔ Bible mu ye hu examples. You bet me for maybe 2 examples.
Okay.
Isaac and Jacob.
Okay.
1 examples.
Yeah.
Say in Isaac's case, no one talked about love, dating, seeing, learning about her.
She said, "Okay, say could you be now
observe?" There was absolutely nothing
between Omuankasa
mienu. There was nothing.
Yeah.
But the parents knew they knew each other.
Yeah.
Until also one corner assemblesi home. Chiri. No one cofa but there is something as a Christopher share.
Okay.
They committed the thing to the Lord. But I didn't say Nyakoponsa. And into know like they had a sign. What be share a name. So who sign? I mean those days the Nyakopon kasa directly. Into bra ne papa esoma ne smartphone or man a sign.
Yeah.
So who pay sa nipa. Na onfa nemra embe no one word and as omra na one word. Inti there was no love, there was no discussion, there was nothing like who yejuma, me yejuma, or then I'll pay, then I'll member.
Having a pure heavens.
There was absolutely nothing. No. So if you say it was an arranged marriage, and then it be all arranged marriages.
Yeah.
Yes, it be all. In Bible times. And I said to Timren, Bible times cry up to do. And they Nansea bear fish, you say, chia. Now arranged marriages,
Yeah.
No crown, they do it purposefully. And you see, so however you see it, it must always be done purposefully. If you are per se, a fee our fee a intinu esade okohwehwe obi afi abusuanim ebi nso wo ho a business partners ana say obi a namfo bi wo ha opese wo ma eware nti eno no nso wo hwe a dating cheda enye ohaw in fact tete na nkasa no obi be ware a the bed ni oberima na okoware no so ni parents
na eso mo
hwehwe edema
ba se say no
se di asesa ene ko kasa a kira brand bia na oberima bia o hwe no obeko
because of force
obi a pende. Now let's look at Jacob. Ne de no to say e bia na ma food
yeah
ono ya no hu ababa na ne je no attraction ne bai ina okoka kire ne papa no no wa kwantum.
Yeah.
Okokacha ababa no awura ne papa. Na ne papa no so you what or den be man. Nti o kire no ne o man a bride price and I say
name obi
o man a list
Yeah.
The 7 years we've had labor.
Yeah, exactly.
Yenya yin story no.
Exactly.
Nti o hwe two na those are few or one or few 2 examples are yehu fi Bible no. The Bible na kasa enhyeda eni kwense fa na
when you ba
David
but my mom say even though Bible can specifically say shwe but what be Christo ni na oni mabraba o pese wo bono is it not seen say okay semi Christo ni a sa na man na Christo hwehwe free mo sa na man na Onyankopon hwehwe free mo from nasem intime so sa esu ni ban ya mimi hu ana Bible hwehwe se mimi nye no ana niema bi ama me nye no ese se me hu sa esu ene e ban ni bi e wo berima mu ana wo ban mu nyesa.
Excellent. I think okay, many. But before abehwe obi de no ese wakasa wo hwe onua Anderson I think them Afienya church or can same be also bia okohwehwe obia ana oberima no ahwe ne ma woni mu a wankasa bisa hu say will I marry me
and also
what I say
me question me interested but will I
marry me wankasa me suma na me kura mu se me hwehwe obi aware na me anka me ware
okay
ansa kwara betua na mo so ko hwe obi re se wankasa ubisa ho se wo qualify
but my so question for the purpose of our for omo ehwe jumedi no and say sa question no who be here say our for bebusa omo at every period bia o mo awade
oh yeah our for the Sunday I said in that also say said American bribia no so na no pay so planning o kan we fa so aware kuru no yere
bia no pa
bia say na o kwadwuma no pa bia o planning no the same thing o show ne ma no aware daily 24/7 ntu so na pa bia o planning enra me ne kan asem we amfa enra me ye we no ne de bai ni nti na me ne den nia anko yiye no subscribe na meye nia ko yiye no me de na ma improve ewo nti na pa bia say na ogwadini ehye anapa bi okugwa so ohyehye ni ma hyehye no sa na warete o so na pa bia ese o hyehye nti first of all you need to ask yourself will I marry me wa kasa no because who one akope ukohwehwe obi na wa mark no we wa kasa wa mark wo na impen no eye mark na ye ankasa yintimi mark ye ho nti na ye make what we will call wrong choices. But in marriage, there are no wrong choices.
Really?
Oh no, there are no.
No, but when you say, I was saying, no, show, mawari, obey the bia meno enkleke, yankwa, ye argue, ye disagree, misunderstanding.
And so you call it wrong choice. It is not a wrong choice. It is unwise decision or unwise choice.
Now, what's the difference?
Let me mention what is wrong choice. As a counselor, so very maybe as a Christian counselor, or very maybe no very ma be some dinechi. No say counselor. Me person me ba counseling. Me ira me person me worry na your very man. That is wrong choice. I was what am I saying?
Me ntiase.
So very me be kura.
Ate kura mente.
So bia bi ba me ho. No so kura bia bi nsam so.
Se oba be ma kura oberima.
So very ma person worry oberima a wrong choice. It's simple. O person me chire simple. So bia person worry
no one say na no okay.
Ewo nti ebe kan nyina
okay
so obi anzo person oware obi a wrong choice se ukofo obi yire e de ne ba se wo be ware ba wrong
enye no ho asem na me na wo
me na hu nyia me ma menka me chiro ne wrong choice na ma chiro ne enye wrong choice man chiro ne wrong choice na mi chiro ne enye wrong choice
and me chiro say sa na me nyina obi enim say wrong choice obi enim say obi yire a so be ware na wrong choice okofo fine kunu wrong choice okofo obi kunu wrong choice okofa be ma say o be ma o ko ware oyonko be ma wrong choice but enye no one asem na me no ken what say wrong me ka wrong choice say what choose oba enye obi yire enye
what gene no what didn't know? Me also no wrong choice. Me say any wrong choice. Me wrong choice. Inti ebe ya mamencho ne wrong.
Mami di ne ka wrong.
Exactly.
Because what can I say they are not
so
ya ka ku na kwa say just a wrong choice ni ho.
Inti me cho ne wrong choice.
O de kan.
Inti wrong choice na say o go fa bofra we di 9 years o ware na wrong choice.
Ahona o de fifa ni nyina. Abusafo me mamo ajo. Abusafo mamo ajo papa.
O ko fa mama me.
Baby, on the assembly mu efe mu e sure say e ho na e pesa assembly efa.
You know baby I say faro.
Okay.
You remember how?
Yo.
But you see say yankyere ahanimu a. Ye de no be kwa aware mu ma ye jai aware. Nti na me pesa me kire yi.
Okay. Yo.
Ukofa papa ba uyobia. Ukofa papa ba se ware na. Wrong choice. Ukofa ubia. Mama no papa ba.
So ba ware na wrong choice. Yo.
Now, in Peru, how you very man. Now you're above 18, say na mranaka. Now you see Jenny. Now who ababa, or don't say above 18. No, don't you see Jenny. No your mommy, no your papa, no your union. That is right choice. But the big but in here, you fit. Because the people more be an very man. Every man fits every woman. Every woman fits every man. But the decision must be right. The decision on the one to marry must be right.
Chichiremwe na enti ase.
Enunti na ese oto ogbase no say do oberima obia ya behie na oberima amewura no oni yire oni ku
oye right
sijeni oye right choice obe fit me mama ware no mana yiye
but
nemo it is spare pass mama nchiro
chichem
car bia ne pass a manufacturer na yese wo de fitting efiti all right but okoto pass na enfa na okoto Abosokan shop be
so magazine
ujina kwan chen na wato ana wo hwe shop a nia we keep part ni part no before say o de be ma no e she box mu wrapped enye na chi ya kraso yiye ya hwe so yiye e ho tew e ho twa na wato
we spare pass na working
yes
and as a member my dream transfer pass
because onipa bia the woman has been part of the man from the beginning. Yeah, from the beginning the woman has been part of the man from the beginning. A part her onyagopon boy no yi no the boy bia no. So the woman, every woman
nti me ira na minim na dana
or a part of you from onyagopon and so she fits you. Indeed, now what me and but you see, so shop for you wrong. Baby, I'll go find a buy the entertain yeah, trying to see no submining your papa. Now funnel, no one man when near down, no one checking your man, we now funnel bar. The choice is right, but unwise decision. The decision is not wise. The selection is unwise selection. The friend unwise choice.
Inti o person kyerɛ sɛ the nkrofo can say makofa wrong choice no ɛno de yɛ bi wɔ hɔ
dabi nine of now o de obia no
ade no ntimi nkan yi
on yi o kan sa
ɛyɛ unwise
decision or choice o kan no wrong choice then when nya kwan a o di ja kwan ja na o di ja no
wrong there.
So the counselor will tell you, say no, you go wrong. Where they wrong, final call back.
Now, unwise
decision there, and they won't bet now.
Well, it just unwise or unwise.
Exactly.
Okay. Hey, now say, I hope the what me tears here.
Obeka say this is a wrong choice, no. Next when you acquire Audija.
Let's say inti our real no. There's nothing like say man choose ye.
There be
and as a man
what you see yes what you see ye. In terms of nyansam what you see no nyansam yes but you're wrong. No. Once I used to no use Jerry, no year of age.
And anything they walk cast be say minimum year and a minimum create compatible.
You see, and also there's a near boss is a wrong choice, and they incompatible. But when you see Jenny, no, it fits. You fit. But the problem is, or your square are now around. won't fit till pen na hole so they that chain, but it will fit. Look, what draw me share a be clip be and a counselor be wa brochiri. Or no say incompatibility but compatible. Inti why a box, a square box. In order round and ashing. Inti I say quine war edges.
Inti accord but
accord but quine it down. With them better or no friend incompatible but incompatible. Name friends are me friend me kind unwise decision. Inti quine it down. Sa na say offer round no. Now the square ni shimwa. Quine be sand it down. The whichever other way I'll be fine.
And I say, yeah, can't the other day say in dating, no, you should be able to see, say, okay, Mikuta square.
Exactly.
My choice now, make no should be a square one. Now, fit it.
Send your open no. No one yanesa. I guess I now wrong. Round
one.
All right, it will fit. But obey a juma. Abre kakra.
Obey juma.
Asana ayi. Obey juma o ho abre. Aware na nkasa no even say square plus square. Obey dada. Obey.
Okay.
Square to square no kwa obey.
Now asa
kofa square round. And do we more. Okay, make can see. Inti incompatibility no. Yes, a man for wakaka. But if your Bible no quite padia. Every woman feeds every man. Every man feeds every woman. Really? Yes. Bible no quite so. Because the woman has been part of the man from the beginning. Manufacturer now you're added. Oh no, so this is the part that fits.
Okay.
So who are you to say self-fitting? It's patented. Patented. The woman is patented as part of the man.
It is saying I will kind of okay. Now say any and say obi akotran say I'm making wrong choice. Na no me won say me fa wo no ba we no.
No, me no but any wrong choice.
It still na
unwise decision. But wise choice. Why you know who yi?
Me na say
what top part? Toyota wo ho, you see Toyota. Now cut pass, I would you have so kai, we so we
Toyota na so na
I show the Toyota, Toyota no, how no dey higher no what no I pass no dey am no what unwise decision.
Okay.
Unwise decision, unwise choice. It's a Toyota pass, all right. Toyota part in a Toyota. Well, you know, logo no bon patented. But how has that part been handled?
It's to you, no. Obey me bia no obey bia no.
Bet me awa.
Nyankopon ebo ade no. Once I your ba nko ade, you fit in to every man.
Yeah.
And every man fit to every woman.
Yeah. And it's not about counseling, no. Na baby a rough edges and ya boawo and exactly because it will be there. It's like I say compatibility. The end there is nothing like compatibility because we are different. Every individual human being is unique. So what do they mean by compatibility? Every individual.
Now what about say yi nipa no ne mfem pade and yi no edin ba no ne mfem pade dia say ne kay say we compatible.
Yes.
No nyina adwen.
That's what I mean. Ne me pa if it's compatible. So people can say, "Mawana we na yenye compatible." Then no patch.
Oh, if you only din komo emfa, one no.
And this is so worry no. It's so worry no. Now when now we.
But
say that when na ebi ana ni sikanti. Ebi ana say be ni shape nti. So mean say, ababai subai debi me dey need fear be how.
But shape this so no na mo
No, you see, then we find out the kofia. The choice is right, but the decision is unwise. You are going to live with him or her till you die. Till you die.
Okay, so let's stretch this discussion into before maybe be drew till I die. Before maybe be drew till I die. What am I supposed to do? Like then me na me say this is the choice it just said me making na me dey worry. So what you say na say?
Me te asem na okan, but answer na me yi sa asem na no. Me pese e hwe ni ma bi. Why people will not even choose people others to marry. Well, no ne betimi yi sa ni ma yi nyina aba. I want to watch them make a niema ne bi anything no ebinum pese most people get married because they are in love. You see, I'm talking about why do people choose
the simple
married partner?
Terms, no?
Simple terms. Most people choose people because they think they are in love.
They think they are in love.
Maybe you see now catch him say you are in love. Make sure because you don't understand the word love. Really, love. My friend, bro, from say the infatuation and that. I don't know. Uhuna ohunyina ye obi ni a. Wakuma boom boom. Na my friend love. That is not love. We share the elements of love in the scriptures. That ni baby awo.
Oh, open. Shame. For Chariot TV, so we are still on Love and Family Corner. We are discussing managing, dating, courtship, and engagement. Now we are going to pick them kakra. For now, we are concentrating on. We are concentrating on. I don't know, but imagine but focus on dating. Now, why in dating, you be pay our demo. Then you may breathe and and I'm sure say if you are warrior, you may have even said that to yourself. Say, "Them away there, I didn't a man far away. I didn't now this guy was chasing me and a man far far away. Till the end of the day, I say, what make you wrong choice anyhow." So we are trying to understand why we do all these things, and then we have in the studio Counselor Kojo Asan to understand some of these things. But baby, you drew a kakra, and so what's to say?
Most people get married because they think they are in love. But you see, love can be confusing here and so ambiguous. Yeah, because to fall in love is to feel to feel an exhilarating, exciting closeness and intimacy with another human being. Also, but you see, but this emotional high does not and cannot last by itself. It doesn't last. But love lasts. Yes. It is a sad now who I say, wait me pen me don me wunu. Say let me last for the rest of more life as husband and wife, they are fine. Then that is love. But since me lasted there, then you ask yourself, say, then what is that thing?
I know na Exactly.
You be a tinker be a wura who know who nipa no any born also no way. My name said a more can why Jimmy. But for deep love to persist and grow, this is what we need. There must be a giving. And on other centered elements, as mentioned in 1 Corinthians chapter 30 and Ephesians 5, your favorite quotation. What I make an answer. So if you think, because people got married, a lot of people got married, these are arranged marriages, and they are still, and they love each other. They are married, happily married. They didn't know themselves from Adam.
When they saw themselves, they laughed. It clicked.
No, it was arranged. They didn't know. But so marriage is something beyond what the eyes can see.
Until the feeling that you there be ana o chasing a kojin number now o person.
I say you're wrong.
But it is good. Oh, sir.
Oh, yes.
And another love now you Yeah, then I'm cool. I love, and you love.
Better because I like her or I like him.
And you like.
She no I kakra. She ni me peno. Me peno. But me don no dey.
Everyday unya nuro.
Exactly. Nti tree ni better. Me peno.
Better. You see, hey. And the man tell me warrior. As we show be and say, I love her. So I love the jai. Never can I like. Because love is
was say what they worry. And here one, osusu say odono. Two, ebi say yeah because of pregnancy. On a DCI. Ena onyin sen. Yin sen abenti wo worry. Me kire ne ma nipa bebre worry. Okay. Ebi no so e de no. Ebi no so de rebound reaction. If a rebound reaction, I just say, if our relationship will do deep or come deep, but BBC ne breaking. In the affair, will be our baby. No, I find I so be a commando. I'm a dream do come, dream you, so commando, a dream you, and no, and we don't know your reasons are man for the war, man for reasons or the war. Yet here ye can reasons amount for the one be but God who created marriage did not expect that everyone will find a mate. That is one question. I say it me Matthew chapter 19 12 to 11 to 12 yeah kind on you say you be answer never worry
yeah so in Matthew
chapter 19, 11 to 12.
Matthew 19,
11 to 12.
11 to 12, but say but he said to them, all cannot accept this saying, but only those whom it has been given. For there are Enochs who were born thus from their mother's womb, and there are Enochs who were made Enochs by men, and there are Enochs who have made themselves Enochs for the kingdom of heaven's sake. He who is able to accept it, let him accept it.
Wow. Yebeka 1 Corinthians chapter 7 verse 1. Me pese adisuano ye di sia.
Okay.
Na yebetu aso. Bo ye kan anu wi a na fe ma me wo kana maka.
Yo.
Na ye di sia na echi no.
1 Corinthians
chapter 7 verse 1.
Verse 1 now say, now concerning the things which you wrote to me, it is good for a man not to touch a woman.
So you see, what kind of Genesis are? Say it is good for a man to marry, and we always say if you don't marry, it is not good. But over 1 Corinthians, Paul also say
it is good.
It is good. So bet me atana sijema, and also eye. Inti awari ye sija ye. Now, ni inti a makotwe we aba ya hwe ya yebe fia yebe din komo be wie no na ayo bia adwene say so ware. In fact, church ni mukura yin adwene no. Ni say obi wo na say nti obi nyin du ba bi kakra na onware ya ye na ehia ni ye na ware wonam church yi mu good then aware ya no me say ware ye good me kan say ye good
So ye dey so ye bad.
David Bible no so say sije ni ye ina Yesu nso si enyo bia na betimi aware according to Matthew 19 Yesu na nkasa no aware but one day especially and betimi Paul also at a point in time no o you say no ni yere so aware jai you say one worry down no one knows enti enne say ye mo bia so ti asese enyo bia na be ware na sa meka yetu na yekọ gidi no it's like me pia nkrofo ewura ware no yanto yambo asekakra yanto yambo as because you bia na be ware se we obia kra oman mu kra we obia no ware dia yemfa wonya hwe and no na me pese me tu hufo na ye jai titru awofo ana foreign panyimfo
Me can one.
Where say why you be a jai? Onye bi nso dey fine. Na enye de ehia ni ye na ware. When na be ware. Look, obi be ka say we need to be concerned. Yes, it is good to show concern. But general concern no enye kwan so a we hia nipa no. Na wo kan kire no. Who concerned about individual bi wo asori no mu ana say abusua ni worry ya ofre no etrase na one na di nkomo na we bisa asetre mu nsem na we bisa no ansa na akosi aware ebi kuro beka na asem ba ko ebi mbetumi on say da bi akoye aware angeye aware anta be boa ni ana exactly wow enunti you were reasons I had the worry bibri edos in a reasons I am worry nyame adum na ehia next week e be reasons anti ebi no so worry ne ye kan nti yensusu ema ye kan ware sem aware yi memetim eyi na da bia meka u ware na ware yi na u di rules no so na mu tu no mu bomoden a yere mo ho na mu ye ne esem ye ma ware ni gina wani beje. But I tell you aware to be kum etimi me bi bota bi wu ebi nyema nyina asai nti enyo bia na be ware nti mesrewo obiara a ohwe nti eya osije esija fo nko but mama ware a ma wo na mo manyi no munsusu empiepia mo yere mo mba no ewura ware mo ya church na mo ye leaders a mo so mo ye careful especially me ampanyfo ewo church mo so munsusu empiepia nkrofo na society no so in general no yenjai saade na so bi nware ya yembu no yenjai eno so.
Okay, but me person who hit on something for me. Me person me worry. Okay, you have made a point on this point, say, and you'll be on the be worry, but you will be a person or worry.
You become what?
The choice, no.
You become what?
And I will say, no, me person Sadi will clarify and I will say, there's nothing like a wrong choice.
My child. Make us say there's nothing absolute, but nothing like wrong choice. Mature wrong choices. Wrong choice in a year. Obi yere, obi kunu, oberi ma ware oberi ma, obia ware obia, and no more wrong choice.
Yeah.
But we hear the few. Now yes, Jenny. No, yes, Jenny. Bingo.
Mutimi ware.
Mutimi ware. Oko ware. Anye ya. Unwise decision. Obetra now. Why you don't? After all, when you go from Baba, eh, papa, papa. It's now what shall I say? When your body be what's to say? It's to you. Never from my doors. Now back what you see, the very moment I'll be say, we hear and now kun you know, I just say we because the idea, never to near you, and then they will say ye. Nti wonya hu sa oyere nye pe eye se wo yes awuye na sa wuye a yakopon ye bone bia e because the man ba ko a se bi enye no me nka se enye a sinto bi wo no yakopon de na ma wa we papa no se hwe no so ya so ye papa dia mia wani na hwe me hwe no so jira kamera di da amen I was on Chariot TV. This program is Love and Family Corner. Also every Monday at 7 to 8. Now, about when you see, my tension on coffee. What I say? Neman be brought on my house so we also. I mean, I know some couples. Me takas as you say, your couples be brought. I'm more bumpy. Say, or more economical and now more because office say when you have wrong choice, and I will say your wrong choice. A unwise decision. Now, who take you on wise decision? Already a bread. Exactly. It's obey the way you do more. Could you say be? I hear you now. I hear you no there's already a bread. I say, so you are what did not a bread. It's and no, me take home. No. Me take home and say, there's nothing like a wrong choice. What make it on? I just say. Bible kwans nipa na okofa na nsese ware no but anya sa na say wo ho kwan say otimi ware say nipa na dia ene na enye wrong choice
a perfect choice, but a bit more unwise. But so when you make it unwise now, we need choice to be out than to shape it.
Exactly.
So it becomes in the end, nice or reverse it unwise.
Adwuma na bed.
Into where you went to be more achia.
Said the Christians is kind of o say o de daddy a no kum edo a ahoden doors.
Into o se kan no
nyansa. But the nyansa na edidi yiye. Nti say unim nyansa o be sew se kan na no.
Ansa na o de
akodo na twantema na wanse ano. Na say o ma nyansa anse de na no di a e no be bre.
I say body say I do so of for body na ngasa.
Say once se kan na no.
Interested. Interested. Enti say e bre o ya wade mu a e bia na e make unwise decision. But I know encourage in our discussion ye kwe ne niam ye kan Love and Family Corner so utie now the ejuma, it means that you will be able to now shape the marriage. It say na round now that question square more, you will be able to shape it to the way it's supposed to be. Internet no ye be see open nyame children say by next week you better have more behind unko baby because and they ever to us management way so how to manage the courtship, the dating, no, you so na yahwe engagement in this because there were several things to ask you.
Okay.
Now, I don't want to do this alone. Me person me know yes I'll discuss you. So you can send your comment in the comment box or you can send it through the WhatsApp line on your screen. Na ya peke na you know abon komo na baby a etwa se ye ka ho asem na ka ibu ho example be your person share you can write to us, okay? You can put it in the comment box, say unhia email and ye contact be a bit me the amount. I mean Oko Chariot TV page in so your email it's just Chariot TV GH and WhatsApp line so na eda screen no eso no na ubetumi afraid na anase wa WhatsApp here and then we will take the discussion from there. Na yenyina yemwa ni shepu ye ho ne awade unware so this is the time to listen to this program because we're going to shape the way the way is taking decision on some of these things. God bless you so much for watching the Charity. So you say you always know the truth, and the truth will surely set you free. And you may yada opinion as or by midi opinion kojo asa or a counselor. Next week. Bye-bye.
And no grace shall obey thy will. Peace be still, peace be still. Whether the wrath of the storm to sea, or demons or men, or whatever it be, no waters can swallow the ship. When Lord, the master of ocean and earth, and skies, they all shall sweetly obey thy will. Peace be still, peace be still.